In this video, we're going to take a look at a Ryobi electric pressure washer. What's up, people? So I just got back from Home Depot. I picked up this Ryobi 2000 PSI brushless electric pressure washer. Mainly got it because it came with this 12-inch surface cleaner, and I want to use it for my patio and driveway. Some of the features is that it has a hose reel, metal wand, turbo nozzle, and the detergent tank is removable. It's advertised as a $230 value. Basically, you're getting the 12-inch surface cleaner attachment for free. Alright guys, so I got everything together. This is probably the easiest and quickest thing that I've actually ever assembled. It's real easy. You guys can see here the pins for the wheels. They just slide through here. You run the clip right there. Super easy on both sides. You got one screw that holds this handle in. There's your holder for your nozzles. And then the soap dispenser just slides right on. That's it. You hook up your hose there for the soap dispenser. There's for your sprayer. And then there's the other one for your sprayer. I mean, super easy and quick. Here's your little handle here to wind up your hose when you're done. Now, I did read a couple reviews, and the downfall is you got to actually unwind the whole hose to use it, and then connect it to your wand here, and then down there, and then to roll it up again, you got to disconnect it from your wand. So it's not you can't keep everything attached and wind it up. So that's a little shitty, but no big deal. So go ahead and fire it up. It's got some quick start guide on the back here, make it easy for you. So you're just going to connect the hose, connect everything else, turn the water on, and you're going to hold the trigger on the wand for 30 seconds, plug it in, then press the on. You're ready to go. Here's the wire down here. Looks like they give you a good amount. It's got your reset button and everything on it. So I'm going to go ahead and unwind this, and we'll see how this works. Alright, so I went ahead, hooked up the hose, turned the water on, no leaks. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the wand. I got the turbo nozzle on there. Hold it for 30 seconds like it says. Get the air out. You can see a little bit of water coming out there. Alright, so as you guys can see, not too bad. I'm going to go ahead and hook up the surface cleaner here. See how well that does. Alright, so this is what the surface cleaner looks like. This is the 12-inch surface cleaner for electric pressure washers. I think the max is 2300. Yeah, up to 2300 psi, which this is a 2000. So we'll go ahead. It just snaps onto your wand there. And then on the bottom here, it's got little brushes on the edge. And then this just spins. And there's little nozzles on the end here for cleaning. So we'll hook this up and we'll see how well it works. Alright guys, it looks like it's doing its job. You can see there, it's a little bit of mold or fungus that's growing. And there's the cement I just did. It's not too bad. There's a little bit up here. You guys can see the difference. I'm gonna switch back to the turbo nozzle now. Show you guys that a little bit more. Switch over to this 15 degree, take the turbo nozzle off. Real easy, just pop it off. Same thing, push this down. Hard to do with, there you go. Go ahead, push this down, slides right in till it clicks. Go ahead and go get a little bit right here. Before, after. Alright guys, so here's a quick look at the patio. Did a once over. Some spots I probably still could be able to get a little bit cleaner, but just to give you guys an idea, this is what the patio looked like. I just moved this out of the way and this heater out of the way. And this is what it looked like underneath. So that's before, and then this is after. So huge difference. Big difference. So it looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. It was a quick job with the 12-inch surface cleaner. I just use that for the main area, and then to get closer towards the edges and stuff, or around like this brick table I got, I used the wand with the turbo nozzle, and I made quick work out of it. Alright guys, so that's going to be about it for this video. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, consider hitting that subscription button and hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.